Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Viewers, welcome back to another exciting lesson. In today's lesson, we'll be citing some examples connecting the previous lesson that we learned on numbers and countable nouns. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Example number 1. When the countable noun is masculine, then the number will be feminized with a round ta, which is called at-tahu al-marbuta, starting from 3 to 10. But as from 1 to 2, the number and the countable noun will remain as same gender, even if we are to add the numbers with them. This has been explained in our previous lesson. Go check it out in the channel or in this video description. Using the word ammun, which means paternal uncle, that has its plural to be a'mamun. So if we are to express it with the first person joint pronoun ya al-mutakallim, the ya al-mutakallim, the first person joint pronoun, and the preposition li, and the preposition li, which means for, which then translates to I have or for me. So here we are only combining the li to make it more meaningful sentence. So we say ammun or ammun wahidun, li ammun or li ammun wahidun, ammani or ammani ithnani, li ammani or li ammani ithnani, thalathatu a'mamin, li thalathatu a'mamin, arba'atu a'mamin, li arba'atu a'mamin, khamsatu a'mamin, li khamsatu a'mamin, sittatu a'mamin, li sittatun a'mamin, sab'atu a'mamin, li sab'atu a'mamin, thamaniyatu a'mamin, li thamaniyatu a'mamin, tis'atu a'mamin, li tis'atun a'mamin, asharatu a'mamin, li asharatun a'mamin. So that suffices that. For example number 2, when the countable noun is feminine, therefore the number will be in masculine without the round ta, the ta al-marbuta, starting from 3 to 10. But from 1 to 2, they will remain same gender. Also using, for this example number 2, the word ammatun, which means paternal auntie, that has its plural to be ammatun. Using the expression li, we also express it as li ammatun or li ammatun wahidatun, ammatani or ammatani ithnatani, li ammatani or li ammatani ithnatani. Thalathu ammatin, li thalathu ammatin. Arba'u ammatin, li arba'u ammatin. Khamsu ammatin, li khamsu ammatin. Sittu ammatin, li sittu ammatin. Sab'u ammatin, li sab'u ammatin. Thamani ammatin, li thamani ammatin. Tis'u ammatin, li tis'u ammatin. Asharu ammatin, li asharu ammatin. For example number 3. In this example, also from 1 to 2 remain as same gender, but starting from 3 to 10, and also considering that the countable noun is a diptote or a diptote. So we explain briefly what is diptote. Diptotes in Arabic are proper nouns that are derived from nunation, that is the tanween, and have only 2 ending cases, with 1 doma in a nunative case and 1 fatha in accusative or genitive case. For example of diptotes, we have feminine proper noun to be Su'ad, Zainab, Fatimatu. For masculine proper noun, we have Muawiyatu, Umayyatu, Hamzatu, Kutaybatu. For the foreign proper noun, we have Ismail, which is called Ishmael, Ibrahim, which is also referred to Abraham, and Julius, which is also referred to as Julius. Another example is plural of some places, which are Masajidu, Madarisu, Fanadiku. Also plural of some things that are in our surroundings, Mafatihu, Manadilu, etc. So, having gotten a brief understanding of diptotes, then let's apply it in the case of number and countable noun. Taking from the previous example, we have Mendilun, and the plural form is Manadilu, which is a diptote, and adding the preposition inda, which means with, plus first person joint pronoun, the ya'u al-mutakallim. This translates to be I have. That is, when it has been combined together, it then means I have or with me. So, for example number 3, we have Mendilun or Mendilun wahidun. Indi Mendilun or Indi Mendilun wahidun. Mendilan or Mendilani ithnani. Indi Mendilani or Indi Mendilani ithnani. Thalathatu manadila. Indi thalathatu manadila. So I pause here to emphasize on an important thing. As you can see from the third, when we reach the third numbering of the countable noun here, the diptotes at the end of the word accept fatha instead of kasra, as in the case of the two previous examples. So this is why they are referred to as diptodes. They either be in a dhamma or fatha. So that is why they are referred to as diptodes. So for the other cases of proper noun that accept kasra, dhamma, and fatha, they are also called triptodes. Okay, so let's move ahead. Arba'atu manadila. Indi arba'atu manadila. Khamsatu manadila. Indi khamsatu manadila. Sittatu manadila. Indi sittatu manadila. Sab'atu manadila. Indi sab'atu manadila. Thamaniyatu manadila. Indi thamaniyatu manadila. Tis'atu manadila. Indi tis'atu manadila. Asharatu manadila. Indi asharatu manadila. Note that for a word which appears to be a diptode in the plural stage from its initial singular form, it must follow two conditions. 1. If the word is masculine, just as it is expressed in the previous example, in the case of Mindil, then the counting will be from the counting of 3 to 10, the number will be feminine or the number will be feminized with the round ta. Secondly, if the word is feminine, e.g., an example, daki cotton with the round ta, then the number will be expressed as masculine. Example, starting from 3 to 10. So we then have Thalathu daqa'iqa, Arba'u daqa'iqa, Khamsu daqa'iqa, Sittu daqa'iqa, Sab'u daqa'iqa, Thamani daqa'iqa, Tis'u daqa'iqa, Asharu daqa'iqa. Here comes the end of today's lesson. If you enjoyed the video so far, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. So we meet in another exciting and educative lesson. See you. Bye for now. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.